Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS. I am on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today not the first time we see our program, we're able to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I almost start with today's show. So Kelleher will be one of the keeper for Liverpool, and the second choice goalkeeper, and I they likely to play against Arsenal today because their first choice goalkeeper, Allison, they already they injured. So Babako said they would be very, very well prepared to face Arsenal this time because when you even listen to their coach and Slot's press conference, Babako said last season, Arsenal beat them, can draw home and away. Arsenal beats them for Emirates Stadium, can draw for the Anfield. So it don't really make sense. So this time around, they will make sure see them correct that thing what happened last season, and they will keep ourselves don't come as I call it talk tough ahead of this match. In fact, Liverpool they smell blood because they feel say this is the perfect opportunity where they will fit take collect points for Arsenal based on the injury worries where Arsenal get because Calvin Kelleher sends Liverpool rallying cry ahead of massive Arsenal clash. So Kelleher says Liverpool be prepared to face Arsenal this time around. Yes. Now Kelleher, when asked about today's match against Arsenal, I say it's early days in the title, but it's still a massive game. Like they believe say this match no go really like talk who go win the league or not, but it's nasty big game. It be. So more just watch. And don't forget say Man City said play against Southampton yesterday. Man City 1-1-0. Man City they win, but they struggle to win somewhat because they bomb like 5-0, 10-0, those kinds of they do before, but they still win their own. So what's it matter now? The 3 points. No matter whether they win ugly. You could be saying Man City don't do number one now. So we and Liverpool go play now. In fact, we did fourth like this. After like they after like fourth or so, after like they like 18th or third 18th. So they 17th. So but we'll see what will happen for this game. Now talking about this match you want to play Arsenal versus Liverpool at the Emirates Stadium. When you watch this match, you can see the match so many eyeballs are going to be on this match. And if I look historical data, the last 5 times so play Liverpool for the Emirates Stadium, what's it happen? So Arsenal win 3 times, the last 5 times, and Liverpool win 2. In fact, last season will be them 3-1, last 2 seasons will be them 3-2. That's how the match they go. Now, late night yesterday, Chris Whitley posted this picture of Arsenal players so they go their hotel room. So we can spot Saka and Julian Timber. So Whitley can say Bukayo Saka and Julian Timber are with the Arsenal squad. Now, I think that was around 11 o'clock or thereabouts. I do show, let everybody know, so okay, we'll see what I see you get. Then at the same time, this morning, everybody on the post time, you get Eduardo had himself talk and breaking, blah, 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 blah. Now, even Charles Watts dropping 2 cents about the match because this I talk and say, well, the boys don't, these 2 players, they don't they available. Now, Charles Watts can explain, say, yes, say himself, say then they go for the hotel, but we never really know how fit these 2 people be and whether they go even play. Because I thought they had to do in mind game. I thought we just put the boys because you when you just follow them waka to confuse you, maybe the opposition manager on how you go take approach the game. If you're gonna think, say, like say that these boys don't do well, or make I change my plan. When match start now, if you don't even see Tim and Saka, or if you talk say on a mind game, they don't go play. When match start, you go see them like now this one really dark arts where they talk about. So now our dark arts manager. In fact, I think it's safe for us to just play the clip and let's react to it. Oh, now the wrong clip be that. Okay, make I as I talk, make I go look for that clip. Meanwhile, Pep Guardiola, on the other hand, instead of going to talk about the match that they ask him whether he go watch him, abi he no go watch the match. Gets so Pep say he go watch the game. Say Valley, he go watch him because he don't see what happened yesterday. Say the likes of Brighton draw points, Aston Villa draw points. So normally they would expect us to drop points. So I think I have the clip for Charles Watts. So let's play the clip.
Good news on Bukayo Saka and Julian Timber. Thought this would probably happen, and it has. When the team went to their team hotel last night after the final training session, Bukayo Saka and Julian Timber were there with the squad. If you're watching on YouTube, you can see the pictures there to prove it. Now, this doesn't mean they're fit. This doesn't mean they're going to play. You have to take everything with a pinch of salt when it comes to Mikel Arteta and trying to.
You don't hear him. It doesn't, and that's just the truth. Right now, all of us, both Charles Watts, nobody know wetin dey happen for the internal workings for Arsenal. We know dey with the physios. We know dey for that because me, I be the strong advocate of saying how fit are they? Shey make dem even play, make dem no go aggravate wetin dem get. Some people say for the comment section don already talk am based on that yesterday publication wey I make. But the thing is, we are not the physios. If the physios say, because all of us dey speculate both as what, if the physios say, Baba, they are good to go. And mind you, for this Bukayo Saka own, Saka got injured, I think on the 10th of October when England played Greece. That is 17 days ago. Just 17 days ago, never reached to get healed from a grade 0 hamstring problem. Because me, according to the maths today, that's over 2 weeks now. So normal, it's supposed to don't do okay for the guy to heal. The same thing we do Saka do Yamin Lamar. But Yamin Lamar don't they play. He even play yesterday for against Real Madrid, he even score. So that's why I can't boiled up say Saka don't dey fit. Saka don't do okay. Even what self they continue to say, even if Saka never did 100% fit, but if he play like 60 minutes for us, Baba, now something. Let's
keep team news and opposition clubs guessing and everything like that. But this is obviously a good site. We don't know how much training they've done.
True.
Again, away from the cameras this week at London Colney, what work has been done on these two to get them ready for this game. But just to have them there, potentially have them available, would be a huge boost. You put those two in the starting 11, and especially if you're confident enough that they are fit enough to last, I don't know, 60 minutes, 70 minutes, then it's a very, very different proposition in terms of the Arsenal team that will be put out against Liverpool a little bit later on today. So it's a huge boost, no doubt about it. And yeah, we'll wait and see if they are in the actual squad and if they actually.
No, so we'll go wait, we'll see what's going to happen. By the time they go play this match, what's Pep they talk, whether they ask him.
Top, but it's not.
If I make a carry the video, go back to the beginning.
Watch it. I prefer to be in top than not be in top, but it's not.
I will watch it.
It's not the point. It's just what happened today. Aston Villa drop points and Brighton drop points because it's so difficult. We won in Wolves in 94, 95. Today you get a chances, so we could score 2, 3, or 4. The expecting goals is much, much higher. But I had to admit that today it was so demanding game for us. Really, really demanding game.
All right, so most of it will happen today at the biggest match, obviously, Super Sunday. So everybody will watch the match, but let's see what will happen. And me, I'm interested in seeing the lineup that I will put out 1 hour before the game. The lineup, like I said, then will give us help us make an informed opinion in our prediction on how the match will go. Now, Sports Bible says, say Arsenal handed huge double injury boost ahead of Liverpool clash as images of team arriving at hotel was leaked online. Now, was this leaked on purpose, deliberately, or was this accidental? They will never really know the motive behind this leak, but more just the watch as we look now. They say, okay, because remember, if you cast your mind back for the press conference, I think I said Calafiori, Timber, Saka, they will try all their possible best to bring them, make them available. Although you can add the caveat, say, sure for us, they certain, like it is uncertain. So more just the watch, nobody really know like this now, nobody knows the stuff. So we just wait. At the match at the time, Saka got injury, that was October 10th, so that's 17 days ago. So I think it's safe to say the boy don't heal. Now, yesterday, Barcelona embarrassed Real Madrid at the Santiago Bernabeu. It was mind like I never saw this coming. I don't believe him. With Mbappe, with Vinicius Junior, Bellingham, the situation 4-0. Like it was embarrassing. So I think like this now, back around there, like 6 points ahead of Real Madrid. Well, it is what it is. So even football on the talk say for their own, the way they see Arsenal line up today. Say Bukayo Saka will start, Thomas Partey go play right back, then Timber decision. I think I go know what thing go do with Timber. Now the way they predict their own first 11. So me, I don't really know whether when I subscribe to the line. For me, are they somehow reserved? Are there my reservations on Thomas Partey playing defense? I don't just know. Are there my reservations on that? I just pray it doesn't come to that. Thomas Partey will be best utilized in the middle of the pack with Declan Rice. Yeah, because this match, I'm going to need to show up everywhere. I need to tight everywhere because Liverpool know they can't come play. You don't take Keller at the top. You know they can't come play. Now, the Sun newspaper, we look at the front page. You can see where Arsenal legend Tony Adams, he talks, say, a defeat in this game is going to end Arteta's title dream. How true is this? Do you subscribe to to Tony Adams' line of thoughts. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section whether you agree within the talk. I think many Arsenal fans will agree. They will say, sure, sir. In fact, now we say whenever I even play Liverpool, some people don't talk to choose, forget about Arsenal and title race. I think I know by striker, forget that. Not saying, I think that somebody even said yesterday, say Arsenal will even make top 4 with the way they play now. Well, you are entitled to your opinion. It is what it is. Now Arsenal, according to talk, say Arsenal warned that Premier League referees are against them. Who is making this statement? So now one former referee, Walton, like on the talk, say the way things they be now, say the referees, they don't watch Arsenal, that they pay somehow one kind of close marking, one kind of close attention on Arsenal, especially when it comes to set pieces. Like, I don't know, all the camera, everything, both pundits. So I don't know what the Arsenal do. See, there's this special attention. Every pundit like to talk about Arsenal. I don't just know whether they pay them extra money to talk about Arsenal, or is it probably because maybe Arsenal gets the largest fan base for England? Maybe that might be it. We make Arsenal topic. They're very, very interesting for pundits to spew their negativity on us, because once you talk something bad about Arsenal, you know, so you will get plenty traffic, because Arsenal fans go on defend. Normal, again, because they did very, very loyal. So it is what it is. Well, we'll just watch. My mom be saying for the match we'll play today, let's be wary about delaying a restart. It gets doing some kind of, like anything red card, more avoid that. Once we play 11-11, we still stand a better chance. Unlike say we can go collect one man down. Now, club presidents, they confirm serious interest in Arsenal star, and this is the president of Palmeiras. So Babako, they confirm, say yes, they really ask Arsenal about Gabriel Jesus. That Lilia Pereira say they confirmed that the Brazilian club approached Arsenal to discuss a transfer of forward Gabriel Jesus, but Arsenal rejected their advances, because Arsenal no really say, even though many Arsenal fans will say, well, maybe they sell the guy because the guy don't really do much for us, but we still need that, at least for now, because we don't really get much cover for our attacking areas. So maybe after this is not end, summer transfer window don't come, now they will probably talk up about all this, but for now, or maybe they still need the guy, will still need that. So David Raya when they claim, say, but they will say this match, if we win now, the way we will celebrate, you go mad, because if you cast your mind back, now this same match last season, we beat Liverpool 3-1. We only got on the snap picture. You get with Jamie Carragher come outside, they talk, say Arsenal they celebrate too much. Let's say they don't win the league. With the celebration police, Richard Keys, many people come outside, they talk, so why they going to celebrate too much like that? You get, so this is the same game. So now me Papa they say, if we still beat them now, we'll celebrate, let's say tomorrow, no day, because it will mean say our title chase is back on track. That's what it will mean. Then it will be say the difference between we and number 1 are just 3 points. But if we win now, Man City will be like 3 points ahead of us, maybe 2 points ahead of Liverpool. Like game on. If we win now, game on. So we'll just see how everything will unfold at the end of the day. Now, Odegaard updates. We're going to hear from Give Me Sports. So Odegaard feels still play for Arsenal before this November international break will happen. That there's this prospect of Odegaard to feature before November break. He's already missed 6 weeks. So who is saying this? Ben Jacobs. Ben Jacobs say there's a kind of 2 separate things here. One is Odegaard going to be fit in a matter of days or weeks? And I think the answer is yes. And 2, is Odegaard going to be match fit in a matter of days or weeks? And the answer to that may be no. So there's 2 assessments. One is getting back to being ready to play or be in the matchday squad, and the other is building up sharpness and that match fitness. And I think from Arsenal's point of view, they won't be in a rush. They won't put a specific game on it, but it's looking very likely that Martin Odegaard will get some form of Arsenal matchday inclusion or minutes before the international break. In fact, when I see this, it can't force me to go check Arsenal calendar. Say, when will this international break set? Make I even know the type of game so we'll play. And from now, moving on, Baba, now every 3-4 days we play. Look at our game against Liverpool. After that game, 3 days time, they play Cup, the League Cup. After that one, 3 days time, they play Newcastle away, St. James Park. After that one, 4 days time, they travel go Italy. This is no much resting. As they travel go Italy, they come back another 4 days time, they go Stamford Bridge. You say no resting. You get, look at the dates. We will play Chelsea on the 10th of November. After that 10th of November, when you look at the next calendar, the next time we'll go play na 23rd of November. Is this say after that Chelsea match international break? Now Baba they talk say before this international break, Odegaard might play some matches because people don't they match fit. Now look at after coming back from international break, we'll play Nottingham Forest. After Nottingham Forest, 3 days later, Sporting Lisbon. 4 days later, West Ham. 4 days later, or 5 days later, Manchester United. Like that. Now for 4 days, means you say our schedule, it is very, very jam-packed. Get continue like this: 11th, 14th, 21. In fact, now until we can play for December 14. After December 14, another international break again. You get, so we see how our calendar is somewhat jam-packed. So we need everybody where they don't register to play for us to be back fit and buying, like raring to go. That's what we really, really need moving forward. So I ask all of us, if you're enjoying the show, come on, do us a favor, like the content, share, follow, and subscribe us so that our content will go far and wide and reach more and more people. So my dear all of us, the biggest news of the day. Then the first Liverpool second choice goalkeeper Kelleher Kalmin, the talk say they go very, very ready, prepared to face Arsenal this time. So this one will be last season when I beat us when they celebrate. They snap picture up and down. They got turned to photographer when I beat us 3-1. So this time they are ready. And when you look at Liverpool's record this season, I think their first 13 games they win like 12, lose 1. Then that one gone, they miss a lot of chances, but both ways to go happen at the Emirates Stadium today. So I think this is a fine place for us to call the show an end. So till I come your way in the evening. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day and get mouse. All right, guys. Now bye bye. Happy Sunday.